Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. I cannot believe that we finally are moving into some summer weather. I am so excited. I am participating in the DIY Mommies Outdoor Decor and DIY Challenge. Okay, I finally get outside and do some spray painting. I am using some flat white trim clad rust paint. I'm going to be painting a couple of little pots. I've got a new gadget for you. This is a little trigger gun that you pop on top of a can of spray paint, and then you don't have to press down with your finger. You can just use it as a trigger. It's really convenient for myself because I have difficulty holding a spray can in the normal fashion, so this is going to work out really well for me. I'm going to give this orange pot, although it's a really cute orange color, it's no longer part of my decor. I'm going to give it a couple of coats of the white spray paint, and it's a flat white as I mentioned earlier, and then I'm going to move on to another pot. This second pot is just a plastic terracotta look pot, so I'm going to do the same thing, couple of coats of the white spray paint. So how many of you creators out there are running low on your plastic gloves when you're doing paint? This is a little doggy poop bag, and I got a box of these at my dollar store. It was like $1.25 for 60 of them. I just wrap it around my hand and then I can very easily just use it like a glove. I'm also spraying just a couple of regular tin cans. Here's my mailbox. It's gone through a few different colors throughout the years, and the most recent one is black. I'm going to give it a nice facelift and spray it with the flat white. Here's a really good look at how this trigger works. It's almost like a garden nozzle for the hose. All you do is just squeeze it and it just comes out like a really nice paint sprayer. So it's really easy to use. I'll try and find a link to a product like this and include that in my description box. I'm finally getting around to spray painting these little wooden pieces that are underneath my windows next to my front door. We've been in this house for 23 years and they've always been this beige color, and I've always wanted to paint them white so they just blend in with the window better. And I took this opportunity today outside on a beautiful day to get that job done. So the mailbox is dry and it's really looking so fresh and clean, but I did need to put some lettering on it. I guess I didn't need to, I wanted to. I'm putting the words Fresh Flower Market, and I'm using my Craft Smart paint pen, and I'm just doing a freehand design. Don't forget to check out Christina at the DIY Mommy. She does a ton of beautiful things. Right now they're renovating their camper and it's just adorable. Make sure you also check out the playlist link in my description box so you can get some inspiration from all the other creators. Okay, are you ready for the tour? This one is going to be self-guided. I'm going to have some neat music going, and I would just love for you to enjoy the tour of my new summer front porch. I hope you enjoyed my summer front porch tour. I had a lot of fun putting this all together, and I really love how it turned out. It just reminds me of sitting in an English country garden. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I upload new content. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. See you in the next one.